We all know there's a problem with how we currently produce our energy. It's centrally controlled by utilities. It's dirty and polluting our planet, and only a very few actually profit. Now the question is, what do we do about it? Buckminster Fuller once said, to change things, don't try to fight the existing reality. Build a new model that makes the old model obsolete. Now the new model is a decentralized, clean energy grid. And in this new model, we generate our power, not a utility. We all share in the profits, not just a few. And it's 100% clean energy that our grandchildren will thank us for. Now think about this. Energy is a $6 trillion annual industry. Imagine the wealth that will flow into the hands of everyday people as we decentralize this old model. And there's two ways for you to participate. Number one, through our partnership with the world's leading solar company, Solar City, you can sign your home up for clean, affordable, decentralized solar energy for $0 down, effectively saving money from day one. And number two, you can become an advocate and you can help build the new grid. Now in the process, you can create a real part-time or full-time income for yourself, and depending on how driven you are, even extraordinary wealth. Power enables you to take your power back, literally and financially. Now this new model is not just possible, it's happening right now. And the only thing that it needs to happen faster is you.